Video we're going to learn how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. First, go to WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Tap on it. It will immediately take you to this page. At the bottom right corner, you'll find a plus button on green background. Tap on it. Here, at the beginning, you'll find select contact option. Here is a search bar. Tap on it. Search for your own number, the number with which you have opened WhatsApp account. I have typed my number. This is my number. It will create a new window. Go to the message option. Search, write a number. The number is 1800-242-8478. Now tap send. Simply tap on the number. And here we have three different options. Chat with the number, call on WhatsApp, add to contact. Select the first number. ChatGPT is working. So, is it working or not? Just type a question here. What is the no this. If I type a question, yes, ChatGPT is working fine. Moreover, the ChatGPT is verified here. That's how you can use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Never forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you.